Hi everyone, and welcome to Dankushi Analysis. My name is Ikushimimo Daniel. I upload video on Excel, Power BI, and SQL every week, and we try and make insight from all the videos we upload on our social medias. Today, we're going to be talking about how you can add VBA code on your Excel to auto-fit your Excel column and row whenever you type. So that when you type a single thing, that the length is more than the space of the column, it will automatically fit in it without you pressing this. Let me give you an example. Like if I type the name of my brother is B brother. You see, it's longer. I will have to press this to auto-fit it, but once you put a code on it, it will auto-fit automatically. So this is what we want to learn. And we also want to learn how we can make use of our nested value and Vlookup. If you check my previous video, I dealt with how you can make use of Vlookup. Today we want to compare Vlookup and nested value together. So after today's class, you'll be able to choose the one that will be seamless for your analysis, because the two will definitely give you an absolutely same result depending on the data you are working on. What is nested if? Nested if is making use of several logical operators to form a function. When you use operators like if, and, then, or together, when you use it as if then, if or, if and, then we have a function which is called nested if. Let's go deeply so that we won't just talk today. So if you first want to create a code, put a code on this VBA, then what you need to do is come to your sheet, you go to view code, then you change this to worksheet, and after worksheet, then you press cells dot entire column, it already suggested it, dot Autofit, suggested it. So you have it here already. So we go back to you see that whenever I type now, you see once I click the thing that's even of Autofit itself. So whatever I type now will automatically fit into that column. See, let me type that same statement. The brother, the name of my brother is Daniel. Can you see it? Automatically, I don't need to do anything. Press on it before it will come up. So that is how this work for the code. So if you want to make use of your nested if, the nested if we are going to be using today is if, not if and if. So I want this data to give me a result in range, which I have my data table array here. You know, normally if we have this kind of data, we use VLOOKUP. So I want to use nested if because it's going to give me the same result. So I press equals to if. Then my logical statement is the statement I want it to be that I want to search for. So I press the statement, which is A4. Then say logical statement, if it is less than, equals to 25. I'm still writing my logical statement. This 25, which you see here, I want it to bring back to me 0 to 25 days. So, 0 is on the range of 0 to 25. So, if this statement, which is here, this value here, is at this range of 0 to 25, which is 25 less than. So, it should give me, so I now press comma, that's my logical statement, value if true. Value if true, that's what this is what it should give me, the value it should give me. If you have an alphabet part of the values you want your result to be, you have to double quote your statement here. But if it is just figure, you don't need a double quote. Because I have a value, an alphabet here, which is days. I'm going to double quote it. So see, double quote 0 to 25 days, then double quote. So the next one supposed to be value if false. So definitely if the function I put here now does not see this 34 among that range, then what should it give me? So I'm expected to write 0. But because I want my statement, logical statement, to cover up all the values here, because I don't just want to be typing this formula here again, and here again. I'm just going to auto format it, call it flashing. One day I'm going to teach us how to use flash fill. So I'm just going to flash fill it or auto fill it. So because of that, I'm not going to put 0 there. So I'm going to continue to put in this table array range. So how do I do? Next, I go to my next one, which is the next table, the next row. How do I go by the next row? I'll use if. My logical statement again. My logical statement now, the highest here is 35. So I'm going to be saying, if this same statement value is less than equals to 35, it should give me value if double quotation 26 to 35, the double quotation, then value if not. I still have one more, so I will have to still continue. If this same value, A4, is now greater than, why is it greater than? My last figure here is 30 plus, 36 plus rather. So it's greater than 36. So, comma, value if true. Value if true is now double quotation 36 plus. Then now I can now cover the second time. It's showing me that I've covered the second bracket because I have 3 brackets opened. Then can press enter. Now I can autofill this, pressing here as autofill everything. Autofill everything. This one would not put this at the back. That's why it's showing this. Put days at the back of this. Days. You can see days now. 26 to 35. So those ones that fall under 34 now is 26. You see, 26 to 35. So it's at the range of 26 to 35. This 34 falls into. 24 falls under 0 to 25. 33 falls under 26 to 35. Do you see 69 fall under 36 plus days? We did not put days on this one. This 36 plus, so we can still put days, 36 plus days. See, you can see it here. You will run it again to have your, and then show to 6 days there. I have to have days the front of it, this. Then you run it again. And you can see this in the front of 36 now, 36 days, 6 plus this. So this same thing we want to do here. So if you want to do it here, use Vlookup. Check my previous video, you'll learn how we do Vlookup. So I'll show you, equals to Vlookup. Then your lookup value is what you're searching for. Then comma, the table array is this same table from the first value. Then you press your F4 to lock it down to give it an absolute value. Because that absolute value, that table array is what you're going to be using all through the rows. So if it's relative value, in my previous video, I taught us how to know relative values and relative referencing and absolute referencing. This is what we call absolute referencing. So the next one is comma, then you put the column which you want the result to come from. Is on column 2, this is column 1. So I put 2. Then it's asking me if it is true, approximately match, or false. So approximately match means that the value I'm looking for here, is it same as been written on this result, or is approximately? You can see definitely here is approximately, is in range. So I pick true, then I press my enter. Then I can now auto fill. If you check my result, you see same result. So this is how you make use of your nested if and your VLOOKUP, comparing the two. And you will now check to see which one that is seamless for you, that is faster, that you can make use of and make your work and analysis beautiful. Thank you for watching today. If you have found any of our videos insightful, kindly like, connect with us on our LinkedIn, and share our link. Link is on this social media, on this LinkedIn. You can share our link, then comment. If you have any question, comment, put it on the comment box as we prepare to give you another video the following week. Thank you very much, and God bless you.